Alrighty, so here we are. Got the Rodecaster video, and hopefully this, yeah, we'll see. So what do we got here? Video and audio production console. Have no idea how to use this thing. Super fired up because I think, one, it's going to be fun. Two, it's going to be more efficient. And you know what? I don't even think I need the knife. Oh wait, I do. There we go. Look at that. Okay, boom. Yeah, sorry, I didn't have the shipment box. I got too excited when it came in, and I just opened it up, and I couldn't do the old box thing. So here we go. Let's take a look though. Oh, what's inside? Just for fun here. And so how does this box? Does it push out? Okay, so it looks like here. Let's go that way so you can get a feel for that. And here we go. So this is the where we start, I guess. And then we pop this guy open, and it looks like in there you're gonna have a little diagram thing. What is this in here? Looks like this is going to be okay. So we got our power cord and that sort of stuff in here. What's this? Oh, it's this. What is that? There's some stuff in there. Power cord. There's a little box in here. And this. What is this? I don't know what these are yet. Yeah, you know what? I don't want to lose them. I'm just gonna I'm gonna stick them. I'm not sure I can stick them. I'll always put that over there. Anyways, there's that. I mean, it's a little bit of a small box, which is cool because my workspace is kind of small for our studio. So we are going to. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh. Okay, so I mean, it's kind of exciting, but a little. Dude, it's heavy. It is. It's heavy. I gotta hold this way out here for you to see it. Let me see. Right there. Let's see. Just take a look at that thing right there. Alrighty. So that is the console. So that is looking pretty cool. Digging that. So on the back side of this, you've got your HDMI ports. Looks like. Oh yeah, this is surprisingly heavy. I am a little surprised at the build quality. I know I have the. It feels a little more like metallic, and it's weighted. It's not like I got the Rodecaster Pro over there. Is it anything else coming here? Oh, here we go. Okay, then USB-C cable. So this is pretty simple. I mean, it's not coming with much. I'm digging it. So this is it, and I guess the next step is going to be for us to figure out how to make this thing work. But like I said, I'm actually a lot impressed with the build quality. This does not feel like a toy. I know I've had some of their other equipment that, like I said, the Rodecaster Pro for audio, and it seemed a little bit more toyish, if you know what I mean. So, anyways, I don't know if that was kind of a plain unboxing thing. I mean, I tried. I gave it my best shot to do the unboxing thing. I'm not sure if that's what I'm cracked up to be over here to do that kind of stuff. But I am here to share how this little journey goes. I am excited about doing this. So I guess we'll catch you on the next one. Our next shooting. We don't do shooting. Our next recording for our podcast is on Thursday. Today is Friday. I'm going to try to figure out how to use this thing all week, and then once I figure out the A's and B's of it, I guess I'll show you. Cool. All right. I'm out.